Greetings from Serpent Consulting Services. Today in this video we are going to present one very useful feature in the manufacturing industry. After implementing so many manufacturing industries on different verticals, we got to know some basic requirements where user needs some restrictions and some useful features about changing the components. So whenever it comes to the manufacturing industry, for example, in the table, for table we have its own bill of material, and in the bill of material of the table we have the components. Now there is some restriction on the component products, that you cannot use any component products, or sometimes one component is not available, we always have alternate components product. So for example, here we have Allen key bolt. Allen key bolt, we use inbuilt feature of the e-commerce for alternative products, where I set Allen key bolt. The alternate to product is, if I don't have this bolt, I can use simple bolt or screw to fix my table legs, right? So this is one of the component product. Now whenever I go to manufacturing order, on the table I have this Allen key bolt, and then user will not able to change any component directly in the component of direct manufacturing order, but we added this button for change component, and as soon as I will click here, system will allow me to change out of these two alternate components. Previously what happened is Odoo will allow you to use any component product. So in terms of uh, the production of some complex machinery or something, where each and every small component matters a lot, if someone will use some another alternate component, that will just make the whole machinery on the risk, and whole manufacturing plant on the risk. So this will be very helpful, that the alternate product will be fixed. So as soon as I will apply, it will automatically change the component product here, and this way it will reduce the risk of using the wrong component in any of the bill of material. So if you find this feature interesting, you can always contact us for similar kind of development and customization. And if you have any similar ideas which is useful for your manufacturing industry, please share, we will be happy to help. Thank you.